Furutama adaki es akurge adu. Mikiyaldani mi adu taaraf kuran Jollyphonics ka kiyade wahaka.
It is a sunny morning and Sam is taking his dog Samson for a walk. They like to walk down to the pond. Sam looks around as they walk along. He sees a toadstool, a red and yellow caterpillar, and a blackbird on her nest. When they get to the pond, they spend some time watching the fish swim around. After a while, Samson goes off and snuffles around in the grass. He finds a stick which he brings back to Sam. He barks at Sam and Sam throws the stick for Samson to fetch. Samson runs around looking for the stick in the grass. Suddenly, Samson starts barking. Woof, woof, woof. Sam skips over to see what Samson has found. In front of Samson is a spotty snake. It is rearing up and is hissing loudly. Sam grabs hold of Samson and the snake slithers quickly away.
Kudinna wahaka kiyadifa wahake agulegotun wahaka dakkalamane. Misalaka mi wahaka kiyadifa ahale vidane Samsonna fenuni kochen he. Jawabga kudimbunani snake. Den ahale vidane snake govwani kon aden he. Ehenuniyam snake ge adu govwala balashe. Ehi sabun edewuni kudinna mi adu kiyaden furusate. Mi aduge harakataki akuruge battama harufa duwa gota atun haraka kuramun mihen kiyun. Haraka dekkomafo lawayako haraka kuruwane.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Akuru liyamwagu kiyaderu furatama akuru liyamwagu dakkane. Liyamwagu dakkade vidane fotuga liyegenves boarduga liyegenves nuwata wushpilega liyegenves. Ehennonama migota video e dakkagenves akuru liyago kudinna dekkidane. Jollyphonics ka hasa samalkameddene waage terega akuru liyuvuma. Waage terega liyaero kujjan akuruge batta nagala fenna gota liyane. Egota dekkumafa kudin lavva akuru waage terega liyuvvidane. Adu kiya dinumafa sound fotuga akuru liyuvvalane. Abadus kudinkari bunamwane komme akurevves liyamwani akuruge matin fashagen kama. Migota kiya anudekama wano by faharu kudin akuru thirim fashagen ves liye. Ege sabun akuruge aslu battan liyan udaguwe atuliyum ves reetinu edane. Me furatama sound kiyadifa heddidane activity ta. Me activity sheet Jollyphonics website in download kureven. Nuota fotegga belenuriya amille tayaru kofes devidane. Activity ga furatama deni harufaga kula jassala. Efo akuru dakkafa akuruge adu kiyuvwane. Tibeflo hitan arafane es akuruge tirige eva tikkaki kochen he. Es akuruge tirige eva tikkaki e akuruge adaki en adukan deha kodde tikke. Misalaka deyakurun en adu onna namaves e deyakuruge dashuga onnani ettiki. Ei en adukan dakka denwege. Dendeni bahun adu fahanga kuran. Egotun timman activity ga mehiru tasviru takun fenne echchege tereng adu onna tasviru fahanga koffa net tasviru ga nuba fahanga lambunane. Me tasviru ta dakkafa kudin hari ahalani furutama mi coaching he. Efaho kujja mige nang ingiresin ingenama enamuga adu etto ahalani. Kujja amille mi coach kannege nama kiya difa adu ebaitto suwa kurane. Misalaka sanga adu ebaitto strawberry ga ge adu ebaitto adi snail adi duck ga mi adu ebaitto egota basta kiya deru bas fotuga nuliye hamekane adu hage bahun adu fahan kuran ingeto balane. Me activity afa kudinnan akuru liyan dene. Mi photo in fenna gota furutama deni tikija hafa ege matin copy kuran. Copy kollan difa den kujja amillen akuru liyan dene. Liyaru balamwane liyani rangalatto. Rangala nuliyewe nama rangalu kuruwan wane. Adi fansuruga hifani rangalatto ves check offa rangalu kuran jehe nama rangalu kodden wane. Mi harakatta 20 minute avure digunuwe kuriya gendeweto masekka kuran wane. ಮಿಯಾ ಹಿಸಾಬುಂ ಫುರತಮ ಅಡು ಮಿನಿಮುನೆ ಕುರಿಯಂ ಹುರಿ ಅಡುತ ಕಿಯಾ ದೇಯಿರುವೆಸ್ ಫುರತಮ ಅಡು ಮಿಕಿಯಾದಿನ್ ಗೊತ್ತ ಮಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ತ ಫಾಲೋ ಕುರಾನೆ